It's taco night, and what is taco night without fresh guacamole? So that is what we are making. We're making an easy guacamole recipe. So here's what we're gonna do. Real quick, we're gonna take our avocado tool, go around, and carefully take the other end, put our avocado. Okay? Put that right in there. This does have one end that cuts and one end that does not. And then you have your other end here. That is your pitter. Okay? Then you can take and you can chunk it like this. Or you can do what I do and just loosen it from the skin, because we're mashing it anyway. So that when you're ready, it'll just pop right out. So I just take the flat end, the end that does not cut, and run it around and pop up. Just don't pop it all the way out like I almost did. Okay? Alright, so in the electric twist and chop here, we are going to put a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1/2 of a red onion and 1/4 that, and 1 seeded jalapeno, okay? Now, probably don't really necessarily need to. I'm going to chop this just into, that was a lucky catch, into a few pieces, okay? Just put that in there. We're then taking, we are going to juice a lime. Our citrus juicer here. And I don't know if you've ever used this, but it is amazing. So it is not plastic. It's not. See, it's so solid. It's not gonna break on you. It is made from like a aluminum product, so it's very solid. Okay, and it really squeezes. Like, I have gotten so much more lime juice out than I typically would, which is fantastic because with guacamole, you definitely want that. I don't know if you can see that, but it is amazing how much. So that is what it looks like. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 clove of garlic. And use our garlic press. It's my favorite thing in the world, because I don't even have to peel this garlic. And take a little brush here. Scrape that off. Okay? And I've got everything in here except for the avocado. And now my electric twist and chop is illuminated. Okay? So that means it's ready. Till I put this lid on and everything's sitting right, it is not ready. So now we're just going to pulse this. It's going to be super fast. And you're just going to pulse it until your desired consistency. It's your guacamole, make it the way you want. Some people like it more chunky, some people like it a little more smooth. So, I like it to have a little bit of consistency to it. So we're going to leave it like this. Now that you've got this in here, you're going to pop out this. This is the one that I kind of chunked. But I'm just going to pop it out. Add your avocado. Kind of scrape this down on the sides a little bit. And I like to use the heavy scrapers, the mixing scrapes for this. Especially because they are more heavy duty, they're a little more resistant to those blades down in there. These are some super, super sharp blades. Okay. Okay, I know this looks extremely full, but I promise you, even though the electric twist and chop is really small, it's super mighty. And put our lid back on and press pulse again. There you go. It's done. Oop. Except I hit a button. I'm going to take this out. Take this plate out. I'm going to show you. So that is our guacamole. And that was so fast, right? Because this blade goes up and down and around. And this was our easy guacamole recipe. There are a couple of variations. You can add some roasted corn. You can even add roasted pineapple. And I have a recipe for that as well. And you can even just do some lovely pine nuts. Something like that with a topper. I have a recipe for that too. So if you need some variations to your guacamole and spice it up a little bit, I'll let you know. But we're going to continue getting ready for taco salads tonight with lots of fresh ingredients.